So when it comes to the carboxylic acid group, the first thing that you have to keep in mind is one order given in the NCERT. You might have mugged up a lot of orders of -I, +M, -M, but this order is the most important order for any NEET or NEET level or JEE main level examinations. Also for JEE advanced as well, but this is directly from NCERT, that CF3 group, more than NO2, more than CN, more than F, more than Cl, more than Br, I and PH. This is the order of the electron withdrawing effect. This is the order of the electron withdrawing effect. So maximum electron withdrawing CF3, then NO2, then CN, then fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and then phenyl group. To understand here, if this whole thing from here till here is one single order, and make sure that you mug up by writing it at least 2-3 times. Sir, can we derive it also? Yes, some little bit ideas from here you can derive, but there are certain things which you have to just remember. For example, I'll tell you, like trifluoroacetic acid we call them. We call it trifluoroacetic acid. Trifluoroacetic acid is the strongest organic acid. So if you ever get organic acids in the option and they ask you the strongest acid is, and if there is an option where CF3COOH is visible, blindly bhaiya you can bubble that thing. So understand, trifluoroacetic acid is the strongest organic acid. After that, trichloroacetic acid. After that, one Cl gone, one H came, so little less acidic. Why? Because electron withdrawing best, highest electron withdrawing CF3. After that, CCl3. After that, one hydrogen came, CSCl2. After that, NO2 comes. So NO2, CH2, COOH. Now up to here, to bhaiya, that's the idea, clear cut you can get from here, that trifluoro, then trichloro, then one H came. Now what will happen? Understand, next thing that should come is CH2 and here Cl. Are you able to understand? CH2, what we did? We took CFFF, first group, to the COH. Then we took CCl. Then we replaced with one H. We got up to here. From here, when you replacing with the next H, and this group is going to come here. So understand, now this group, Cl is somewhere here. Before this Cl comes here, fluorine, CN, NO2, CF3, these people have to come. And CF3 already we have taken once close to COH. So what we are doing now, dekho, we are taking NO2, then CH2COH, then we are taking CN, then CH2COH, then we are taking fluorine, then CH2COH, and then came chlorine, CH2COH. Badhiya kam? I think you understood कि I firstly took from here, you can start trichloroacetic acid, then I replace this with one hydrogen, बढ़िया काम हो गया. Then I want to replace with another hydrogen, but this group Cl, he will come here. Before this Cl, NO2, CN, F has to come. तो भैया clear cut this order we got here. Done. After chlorine, what comes? Bromine. After that, sir, what comes? Iodine. But nahi, before that, formic acid has to come. Sir, how do we know? There is no way of knowing it. You have to remember it. These are the pK values. After that, formic acid. After that, CH2, Cl. This has to come. That means one more carbon away. Cl went one more carbon away. Sir, here also Cl was there. Yes, that was one carbon away from COH. This is 2 carbon away. So even less withdrawing effect will be there because -I is distance dependent. So further it goes, later it becomes. Then benzoic acid. Surprisingly, benzoic acid is much lesser than all these people also. I will tell about that in detail as well. After that, benzene, CH2COH. After that, CH3COH. So here these three, sir, you have put in the box. Why? Because this you have to remember separately. Or make sure that you mug it up, that formic acid is more than benzoic acid is more than acetic acid. This is going to be extremely important for us. So just mug it up. Don't think about the logic right now. I'll be able to explain you the logic also, maybe when I will start the next part in the same video, but I don't want you to go to the logic first. Firstly, mug it up, make it by heart. After that, only go to the logic. And then CH3, CH2, COH. Why? Because CH3, COH is there. Okay, chalo, little bit logic I will tell you. HCOH is there. Then one CH3 group comes. So plus I effect is there. Now plus I effect means acidic nature decrease. CH3, CH2 more plus I. So even less acidic strength is there. So bhaiya, this is about the basic idea. Make sure that this thing you have to write it down yourself and mug it up. Up to here you will have no problem. Because this thing, if you mugged up, this thing you will come get automatically. After that, beyond that, whatever is there, that you have to keep in mind separately. Chali, starting from very lallu question that we have done in the case of phenol also. And I think by this time you should be expert in such questions, and only these kind of questions they ask in the exam also. So dekho yaar, this is OCH3 group plus M. Why? Any person having lone pair connected to benzene, any person having lone pair connected to benzene is a plus M group. Here, no group. here NO2 minus M at ortho para position plus M minus 1 happily plus M minus M happily work. अब बताओ यार, minus M is good for acidic nature or bad? Minus M acidic nature increase, so he is happy. He has a flat face. Why? No group is there, nothing, neither good nor bad. OCH3 plus M group, so acidic nature decrease. OCH3 plus M group, acidic nature decrease, so he is sad. So the acidic nature order comes out to be clear cut disorder. So भैया, let's carry on. Now I'm going to explain you the SIR, steric inhibition of steric inhibition of resonance. चलिए भैया आए, let's understand the steric inhibition of resonance, SIR. तो देखो यार होता क्या है. Before starting this, I will like to firstly make you understand the idea कि is this benzene ring in good for the COH group acidity or bad for him? Understand. देखो यार, this is a COH group. ठीक है. If he release the H plus, what will happen? If he release the H plus, he is the conjugate acid right now. His acidity we have to compare. So we get a benzene and we get a C double bond O and O minus. Now the good thing is that this C double bond O is a well-known minus M group. In fact, I can write it here so that here I can show you more clear-cut idea. I'll write it here. This C double bond O is a well-known minus M group. He's a very good minus M group. ठीक है भाई. One trick I can tell you. X double bond Y, X triple bond Y, where the Y electronegativity is more, in such situation you will call it minus M group. Example, N double bond O, N triple bond O, C double bond O, C triple bond N, where the other atom, the unbonded atom to the chain, the other side atom is more electronegative. In that situation we call it a minus M group. There are many such examples as I can write. NO2, CN, here C double bond O, C double bond O, OH. All these are the examples of the minus M group here. SO3H. Again, CN is there, NC is not there. Sir, why not NC? Because X triple bond Y, but Y, that is carbon, is not more electronegative than nitrogen. So this trick will work very well. I've told in the other video also, coming back to this. So when this H plus goes out, you get the conjugate base, and we know it very well. If the stability of conjugate base is more, then the acidic nature is also more. So let's understand his stability. So this negative charge will become stable due to this conjugation. Dekho, this is a negative charge, and minus M effect says that, minus M says that I will take your negative away. So when the negative charged person is there, why he is unstable? Because he has a clear-cut negative charge. People want to attack here. That's why he is unstable. So if someone comes who is taking this negative away, so this person will become happy now, giving the negative to that person. But what happens? When this minus M group is taking the negative away, he is doing the job very well. But because of this Satyanashi benzene ring, people think benzene is very good. Benzene is good for conjugation. But nahi yaar. Whenever there is something which is involved in conjugation, it can stabilize as well as destabilize. Like here, if you have a benzene ring, what happens? C double bond O, think in this way. C double bond O was there, O minus was there, something here was there. He was playing very nicely. But when benzene came here, this benzene is in conjugation, double bond, single bond, double bond. So what happens? The benzene also start giving his electron to the C double bond O. So what happens? If I am C double bond O, I have one job to resonate or to conjugate the electron of the O minus, making him feel better ki no problem beta, H plus left you, no problem, I am with you, I will stabilize you. Suddenly on my right side benzene comes and he says, play with me, play with me, play with me. So I'll be distracted now. Should I show the minus M effect towards benzene, or should I show the minus M effect towards the O minus? So because of that, the minus M shown by C double bond O get distributed. Something it will show, somewhere minus M it will show to the benzene ring, and little bit minus M it shows towards the O minus also. So what happens because of that? Because of the benzene ring, it distracts C double bond O to who was busy stabilizing O minus. The person who was stabilizing O minus, that person, that C double bond O get distracted, so the stability of the conjugate base becomes lesser than expected. So the acidic nature of the carboxylic acid, the benzoic acid, sorry, not carboxylic, benzoic acid becomes lesser than expected. Chamka kya? So this benzene is not helping. Dekho, in the case of phenol, benzene was very awesome. Why? Because benzene was connected to the O minus directly. So what was happening? there was a conjugation going on and he was stabilizing the O minus. But when it is corrected to the COO minus, then the benzene is a very bad person. Why? Because benzene likes to play conjugation. Because of that, what happens? Because of that, this O minus is not getting full attention of the minus M group, and the minus M group C double bond O is not able to stabilize O minus as much as he wants to. तो क्या करें भाई? कुछ नहीं करेंगे. What will happen? जो करेगा ऑर्थो करेगा. देखिए what happens now. If COOH group is here. So do we understand this thing clearly? कि benzene decrease the acidic nature of the carboxylic acid group. That means benzene decrease the acidic nature of the benzoic acid. That's why the formic acid was more acidic than benzoic acid. ठीक है भाई. चलिए carrying on. What happens now? देखिए very important. If a group comes here, which group? Big group. Which is big group? Big group is big enough. ठीक है भाई. Which big enough, sir? Big enough means he should not be fluorine. Fluorine is a cute little person. NH2OH. These people are too small. To kick others. These three people. Fluorine, NH2OH. They are too small to kick others. ठीक है. So what happens when this group comes here? Listen to this thing very carefully. When the group comes here, any group at ortho position comes, what happens? This conjugation is going on and this conjugation is not good. This conjugation is going on and this is not good for the acidic nature of this OH group. So this conjugation has to stop so that this conjugation can be carrying on when the H plus go out. So देखो what happens here. A negative charge came, H plus went away. What happens here to make this conjugation better? I have to stop this conjugation. So this group comes, he kicks. This is the leg. He is kicking away COOH. So he kicks the COH. So what happens? This was the benzene ring. This was the COOH. This was the group. So group started showing some steric hindrance to him. He kicks the COH and COH goes out of plane. Okay, a little bit effect on this group will also happen, but this group was not doing anything else. So he kicks the COH. As a result, this COH goes out of plane. Then sir, what happens? There is a very important thing that you have read in the resonance topic, conjugation topic, that the necessary condition for resonance is planarity. So if the orbitals are not in the same plane, you can never have conjugation. There is no conjugation possible. So as soon as this group kick away COOH, it goes out of plane. Then what happens? Because of this going out of plane, what happens? COOH conjugation with pH, with benzene stops. The COOH conjugation with the benzene ring stops. As a result, what happens? As a result, the acidic nature increases. Why, sir? Why acidic nature increased? Because benzene was doing the Satyanash. He was causing the distraction to the C double bond O. A group came, he kicked COOH. He told COH, stay out of your limit, stay up in the plane. You will not be interfering with the benzene anymore. COH was very happy because now the C double bond O is no more in conjugation with benzene. So this conjugation stops. So now C double bond O is completely focusing upon stabilizing the negative charge here. So the acidic nature increases because the negative charge stabilizes. Conjugate base becomes more stable. So the H plus goes out easily. So understand the story very clearly. What is the 100 बातों की एक बात? तो भैया देखो 100 बातों की एक बात in a nutshell is that if a group comes at ortho position to benzoic acid. Sir, shall we do this thing for the phenol also? बिल्कुल नहीं. Why not, sir? What is the problem with phenol? You know the problem with phenol. Phenol means there is a OH group. OH group are cute little group यार. Who will kick them? You will kick a kid like this क्या? नहीं ना. Be a good human being. Don't kick the kids. Kick those people who are grown up and doing wrong things in the world. So if a group comes at ortho position to benzoic acid, then due to SIR, due to steric inhibition of resonance, sterically the resonance got inhibited because the COH went out of plane. As soon as the COH went out of plane, he is very happy. Why very happy? He does not have to bother about benzene. So benzene is not able to distract the CO group and CO is stabilizing the O minus happily. H plus is going very happily. So if a group comes at ortho position to benzoic acid due to SIR, the acidic nature increases. So this is the effect of SIR. Now comes to the benzoic acid part, how to compare the acidic nature. Power number 1 SIR, then mesomeric, then hyperconjugation, then hydrogen bond if you want to check, and then inductive. Badhiya kaam. So you understood SIR now? Now the simple bhaiya बढ़िया logic is that before the mesomeric hyperconjugation inductive check SIR. Firstly SIR you will check. SIR is the most powerful effect. What he will do? SIR increase the acidic nature. बहुत बढ़िया काम है सर. SIR increase acidic nature. It is shown only at the ortho position. So it's also a type of ortho effect. Then only you have to check for benzoic acid. This thing only for benzoic acid. Why not for phenol? Already we know because the group OH is very small. No one will kick him. If there is a minus M group, and if there is a minus I group, then the acidic nature will be increasing for both the cases. If there is a plus M group and if there is a hyperconjugation or there is a plus I group, then what will happen? The acidic nature will be decreasing. So this is your whole story for comparing the benzoic acid and their derivative acidic nature. So I will write some examples on the board and you will be able to sort it out. Chaliye bhaiya, let's see these magical examples. So to do these examples, I will write again one more time the thing that we have to use. So understand SIR more than mesomeric, more than hyperconjugation, more than inductive. This is exactly what you have to follow. All the answers will come happily. अब देखो भैया CH3 group is at the ortho position or not? बिल्कुल. At ortho position you will have SIR effect. So firstly write SIR. Anything else is there after SIR? Mesomeric, CH3 does not show any mesomeric effect. Hyperconjugation, yes. Methyl group at ortho and para position shows happy hyperconjugation. So hyperconjugation is there. Inductive, yes, plus I is there. But I will write always in this order. SIR, most powerful. Next, here, no effect. Here, methyl group at meta position, so only plus I effect is there. No other effect. Very value effect is there. Here, methyl group at the bottom, so here it is coming. देखिए बहुत बढ़िया lovely effect is there. So it is showing hyperconjugation, but plus I effect is not there. Why? Because plus I effect is distance dependent. So very good plus I will be shown close to the group, ortho position, then little less meta. By the time it comes to the para, the inductive effect is almost negligible. But understand, hyperconjugation and mesomeric are not distance dependent. Whether at ortho position or at para position, in both cases, hyperconjugation will be equally powerful. Mesomeric will be equally powerful, whether it is you are comparing ortho or para. But when you compare inductive, obviously ortho will be more than meta will be more than para, and at para if there is some other better effect available, so inductive no need to check. So bhaiya, what happens? The video got cut in the middle somewhere. Let's start this part again. So what happens? Due to SIR, the acidic nature increase, so he is very happy. Why? The most powerful person increasing the acidic nature is with him. So if sir is with him, he will happily win. This flat face. Why flat face? Nothing is there. Neither happy nor bad. There is no group. Plus M. Think now. Plus I, not plus M. Plus I. That means acidic nature decrease. Hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation means acidic nature decrease. Both are the electron donating effect. So plus I, hyperconjugation, both case acidic nature decreases. Question arises, decreases more in what? So both are satyanashi. Hyperconjugation is more satyanashi. So what will happen? He will be crying here and he will be just sad here. So bhaiya, crying, sad, flat face, happy. So clear cut order we have got na yaar, more acidic. Then next, in this situation what happens? There is a situation that H plus goes out, negative comes here, and there is a very strong hydrogen bond possibility available. We know this thing, when the H plus goes out and there is a chance of getting a hydrogen bond, then H plus will happily go out. But as I've told you previously, I've told you this thing previously, that OH group, NH2 group, fluorine are so small, they do not show kicking. SIR effect they will not do. But a cheap shortcut will work here yaar. Dekho, sometimes you will have to check hydrogen bonding, sometimes you have to check SIR. So khatam karo na yaar. Write SIR. I know it is wrong, you know it is wrong, but theek hai, this will give us the correct answer. So if any group comes on the ortho position, any group, because if NH2 comes, then also hydrogen bonding is possible in this way. If OH comes, then also hydrogen bonding is possible. So if fluorine comes, that goes outside the course. So you don't have to worry about that. So in all the cases, this cheap shortcut is going to work. So I told you the real science. Now I'm telling you, apply the cheap shortcut, write SIR, make him win, and he will become the highest acidic nature. Next, here at meta position, to bhaiya minus M plus M is not available at meta. Only because it is meta position. That's why only minus I effect will be there, because O is more electronegative. So minus I effect. Here no effect. Here bhaiya बहुत lovely, O has lone pair, and any person having lone pair is connected to benzene ring at ortho and para position. क्या बोला? Any person having lone pair is connected to benzene ring at ortho and para position will show plus M effect. तो भैया plus M लिख दो. माइनस आई विल कट, वाई बिकॉज वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम द COH. अब देखिए ये तो जीत गया. Here minus I, happy sad, minus I acidic nature increase, so he is happy, little bit smile is there. Here flat face, why? No group, no group is there. Here plus M means acidic nature decrease, so he is very very sad here. तो भैया सत्यानाश happened, nothing happened, he is happy, he is very happy, so clear cut acidic order we have got. Very important one extra comparison I'm telling you now. I think this thing you understood, you have to just apply this order, you will get the answer clearly. Practice you have to do of the previous year. Do all the previous year NEET question. And JEE advanced, JEE mains question also. Advanced some questions which are big questions you should not try, but all the phenol, benzoic acid and all the aniline, all these questions you should try. Big question you should not try of JEE advanced. Some questions are exceptionally good, but if you are preparing for NEET and JEE main, that is not for you. Going ahead, extra comparisons. CF3COH we already know that's the strongest organic acid. Question is, which is the second strongest organic acid, and the answer is picric acid. One lovely question come, which of the following acid does not have a COOH group? Answer is picric acid. Picric acid is phenol. Actually it is 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. So 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is much more acidic than any other organic acid except trifluoroacetic acid. So if this person is not in the option, then bhaiya 2,4,6 trinitrophenol will be the most acidic person, and after that CCl3COH comes. Apart from that, if someone asks you in general, देखो in general तो यार carboxylic acid is more acidic than phenol, or better to say carboxylic acid more acidic than phenol is more acidic than alcohol. This general order will work. And after alcohol, you get alkanes, alkynes, then alkenes, then alkane. I told you at the last I will compare all of them. So भैया RCOH more, then PHOH, phenol, then ROH. Already we have discussed this thing, phenol are more than alcohols, then alkynes, then alkenes, then alkane. Length of the chain does not matter. This idea will work very well. ठीक है भाई साहब. Now in ROH or RCOH also, general idea, previously I have told you what we have to do. HCOH more than, it was there previously, HCOH more than PSCOH more than CH3COH. That thing will work. After that phenol will come, these people will come. But out of phenol, one person, that is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, you have to remember exceptionally is much more acidic due to a lot of minus M here. Awesome minus M is there. So because of that, this person becomes excessively acidic, even more than any other carboxylic acid except trifluoroacetic acid. After that, trichloro and remaining list is as it is. Remaining list, previous part of the board, you can just rewind and check. I have told you on the board. Now understand one extra point. The acid who are stronger than carbon dioxide, they react with Na2CO3 or NaSCO3 to release CO2. क्या बोला? The acid who are stronger than carbon dioxide, they release CO2 gas when they react with these people. As a result, that's a test of carboxylic acid, because carboxylic acids, benzoic, acetic acid, formic acid, all of them, they are more acidic than CO2. As a result, they will show the test. But there is a phenol, and you know who is that. There is a phenol who is equivalent to the acidic nature, in fact better than almost every carboxylic acid except trifluoroacetic acid. There is the picric acid in front of you. This person, that is mono or dinitrophenol, are less acidic than CO2, so they cannot show Na2CO3, NaSCO3 test, or other phenols also they do not show. These people, they do not show, all of them. But carboxylic acid shows. But 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, this picric acid, bhai sahab, he will show the Na2CO3 test. He will release the CO2 gas. One extra information came in the 1994, I think, AIP-MT examination at that time. But sufficiently good information. Nice question, exceptional question that was. So this is about the basic idea. Now one last example I will tell you and wind up this lecture. So this is the lovely question which came in the NTA Abhyas app for NEET examination. It came. But believe me or not, this is the kind of question I am asking you to ignore from the JEE Advanced question bank. It's a previous year JEE Advanced question also. So don't worry that this kind of questions will come in the NEET exam. Chances are very rare. Even if it comes, it will be easy for you to do. But try to avoid such questions which are general questions. General question. Because it is not belonging to the alcohol phenol chapter, or it's not belonging to the carboxylic acid chapter, or does not belong to the hydrocarbon directly. It's a mixture of all of these involving aldehyde also. But anyway, how to do the question is very simple. If you remember the logic, कि भैया if the conjugate base stability is more, acidic nature will also be more. This logic we are going to write. For getting this logic through, for getting the answer by this logic, one thing that we have to understand very clearly is that कि भैया we have to firstly make the conjugate base of all of them. So I have to compare amongst 1, 2, 3, 4 the most acidic proton is. So think, if this H plus goes out, a negative comes here. If this second H plus goes out, a negative comes here on this carbon. If this H plus goes out, a negative comes here. If this CH3 is there, one H plus goes out. This is the fourth one, so a negative comes here. Now think about the stability. For stability of negative, I already told you, power is same, which I have written on the right side. Because logic is same. I'm not saying the question you will not be able to do. You'll be able to solve every question by the logic. But practice those questions more, which will give you marks more frequently, more easily. Because such questions cannot be trusted here. You might miss something. Logic will be same, but as a student, understand you can't become expert in 1 month here. So you might miss a few things. It's better you practice those things first, where the chances of missing is less. Like here, you know कि भैया negative is stabilized by minus m then minus I. And negative is destabilized. Already we have written in the previous video, is destabilized by plus m hyperconjugation plus I. In the first part of this video, I've already told you this thing. तो देखो भैया बढ़िया H plus will go, negative comes here. Now think about it. This H plus I am removing from all of them. बढ़िया काम हो गया यार, है ना. अब देखें क्या होगा. अब होगा ये कि नेगेटिव डबल बॉन्ड, सो देयर इज नो कॉन्जुगेशन हियर, सो मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट नॉट देयर. माइनस आई नथिंग, सॉरी नेगेटिव चार्ज नथिंग. Negative single bond double bond, a conjugation is there with the benzene, so yes there is some conjugation with benzene, so conjugation there. In this case negative on the left side, negative single bond negative, तो भैया तो सत्यानाश हो रहा है यार, they are repelling each other also, but anyway at a time only one person will be there. I take the words back. At a time only one person is there. So let's say if the negative comes here, so in both the side you will have no conjugation. Why? Negative single bond, negative single bond, single bond. So here also conjugation not there. By this time, this person number 1 has lost. He is not the answer. Person number 2, person number 3 also has lost. Why? Because there is no conjugation here. And negative single bond, double bond. तो बहुत बढ़िया awesome conjugation is going on. अब बताओ यार, who shows better conjugation? That will give you the answer. तो sir, you told us in the same video also कि sir this minus M group, he is very awesome minus M group. Understand, X double bond Y, X triple bond Y, where the electronegativity of Y is more than X. They are very good minus M groups. Obviously better than benzene. So what will happen? Negative is getting stabilized here also, negative is getting stabilized here also, but the stabilization of negative is much more here. This conjugate base is more stable, so the most acidic proton is the 4th proton. You can go back in the video and check what was the structure. Second best, if they ask you, that will be the second one, and after that third and fourth you can compare easily, because here the negative is on which carbon atom, here the negative is on which carbon atom. By the electronegativity you will be able to compare ki where the negative is more stable. The first example of the part 1. So this is a tough one, and yes, tough, easy, all kinds of questions are possible. This is all from the acidic strength side. Practice, please practice a lot of questions of the previous year, at least NEET examination. You will find in alcohol, phenol and carboxylic acid combined, at least 25 questions will be able to find, 20-25 questions, 20 around will be there at least. Same, JEE main, 15-20 questions you will find there also. So a good set of 40 questions will be there with you to practice. After doing that, pick up any other question bank if you have of your material and try those questions also. If any question comes tougher than the JEE main question or NEET question of previous year, skip that at that time. Firstly, strengthen your funda. The funda is SIR more than mesomeric, more than hyperconjugation, more than inductive. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.